Hello. Hello from Regensburg, with a town in Germany. We are here at a meeting from a European project. The project is called EECONE. It's a European ecosystem for green electronic. A very fascinating topic, of course. So I have the pleasure to interview one of the actors of this project, which is responsible for what we call a demonstrator. So first of all, it's my pleasure to introduce you, my colleague. It's Bhupinder Bhullar. He's CEO of a company called Swiss Vault. You know what a vault is, a safe, secure place. So the project where he's responsible is called Reducing Data Center E-Waste via Technical Lifecycle Assessment Driven Refresh and Reuse. Of course, this is one of the most fascinating topics, because everybody speaks about AI, everybody speaks about server. How can we have any reduction of e-waste if we have so many servers, so many AI applications? So it's very interesting to hear what you could achieve or propose.
Thank you very much. So in our project, as we're trying to reduce data center e-waste, and that's quite right. With AI in particular, now there's just a big demand for data center space and electronics for data storage. It's producing heavy burden on energy consumption and construction of data centers, and also servers, resulting in more and more electronic waste. And what we're doing is reducing the energy consumption in this project, reducing the need for more infrastructure, and also increasing the life cycle of the servers so that they last longer, and reducing the electronic waste. So
okay, sorry, you showed me a fantastic reduction of material. How can you achieve that? You show me a picture, it's a big and a small one. How does it work?
So this started with the convention that what do we need for data storage? Can we build something from first principles? And we decided to design something that where we take the original server and just remove things that were not necessary, remove parts, and design for extreme low power consumption. And by doing so, we reduced the size by 8-fold, from 57 liters down to 7 liters, as I showed you. And this enables us already to enable a lower cost infrastructure to support the data center. And so that's basically one of the principles. Reduce the components, reduce that are not necessary.
I listened to the talk and I was very surprised by what you said. You said you have servers, and when do you replace your server? So I thought a server should last a long time, and you say no. There is an optimal policy, if I understood well, to replace the server, to refresh. And I was very surprised, and you showed a very interesting curve. Can you explain why this works, refreshing more often?
Well, actually, what we are saying is that the refresh rates are now 3 to 5 years in most data centers. And the reason is that there's a certain failure rate that, when a server fails, that means the data is lost. So the data centers make a policy to replace these servers every 3 to 5 years as their rate of failure increases. And if the rate of failure increases, that means that they have to spend more energy and effort to retain the data. So what we're saying is we don't want the servers the data centers to worry about the failure rates anymore. So we remove that by building software that makes it possible now to never lose your data. And that means that you can run your servers to the end of their life, which means that rather than 3 to 5 years, you can run now from 8 to 10 years, maybe, these servers. So by extending by 2.5 times, we can maybe increase the functional life cycle of the servers, but reduce the electronic waste.
Maybe I didn't understand very well. You keep the data through a software, but you change the material.
The idea was that we are able to keep the servers and disks running till the end of their life, and not just throw it away because there's a risk of failure.
Okay, so I think it's a very important point in this world of AI, and we hope that you can have a very great contribution to EECONE. Thank you very much.
Thank you as well.